Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Yes, everybody is fine. So, here children, thank you and I am fine children. Okay. Now, we have some activities, right? So, before going to our activities, okay, let us introduce our friend Toto. Toto, good morning. Hello. Yes, good morning Toto. Right? Right. Okay, good morning. Okay, now we have one activity of the thing of block 10 LP 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, seasons. Okay, block 10 seasons. From that we have okay, we have an activity in that season, summer season, right? So let's see what are the things we use, what are the objects we use in the summer season. Okay, what is that, just Amy? What is that you are going to use? We are going to use cold drink. We are going to drink cold drink. We are going to use ice cream. We are going to use the sunglasses. These are of course specs. Okay, but sunglasses will be black in color, right? So which gives cool to our eyes, right? And we use hat. Okay, hat in the summer season. Yes, and the fruit we eat, the fruits we eat, citrus fruits, that is watermelon, green color, mango. In summer season, this fruit is available now more in the market, right? So mango. So I'll show you in a diagram, right? I'll show you in a diagram what are the objects used in the summer season, right? Now we first will use hat, right? We use a hat, right? This is a hat. Then this is a sunglass. This is a sunglass. Okay? Right? This is a sunglass. This is a hat. This is a sunglass. Then what is that we are going to use? Mango. Right? Mango. This is mango we are going to use. Then we are going to use watermelon. Green in color, right? Green in color, watermelon. Then after that we are eating ice cream. Right? Right? We are using ice cream. We are eating ice creams. We'll use this juice, then mango. Then use of these two things to our eyes and to our head, hat. This is a hat. This is a sunglasses. This is mango. This is watermelon. And this is ice cream. Okay. These are the things. What they have asked. Draw any objects which we use in the summer season. Only in the summer season we are going to use all this. Are we going to use in other season? Are we going to eat these two in the other season? No. It will not be available also. Right? So, hat, sunglasses, mango, watermelon and ice cream. Right? This is one. And here in this book, that is volume 1 worksheet, right? Volume 1 worksheet, page number 50, we have the sounds of I, P, N. The sounds of I, P, N, right? So what is this? This is 9, right? 9, okay? You have to circle the letter. Okay? and this is pen, pa, 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 pen, right? P, okay, and this is igloo. See, they have circled it igloo, and this is nose, right? Nose, okay, N. This is, you think this is an horse? No, this is a pony. Pony. Okay, and this is iguana. Iguana. Right. Iguana. I. Right. Then afterwards, this is neck. Okay. N. And this is ink. Ink. Because they have shown only I, P and N. Those sounds only are here. Okay. Pin. P. And pencil. And this is net. N. And this is parrot. And this is nest. Okay, these are the things we have done in our worksheet volume 1. Worksheet volume 1. Okay, and we have finished this. Now we'll go for our next. This is worksheet volume 2. Worksheet volume 2, page number 42. Matching. Color the picture. Match each picture to the letters that it begins with. What is this? You have what they have given. First, they have asked us to color the pictures. This is a door. This is grapes. This is orange. After coloring, we have to match with those letters, with the starting letters. Door. Door is in brown in color, right? So we are going to color this with brown in color. Okay. Understood, ma? Door will be in brown in color. So we are going to right? So this is door. And grapes. Grapes will be in light green color. Light green color, and the leaves will be dark green color. Right? Right? So this is light green and this is dark green. Right? Grapes. What are these? Grapes. What are these? Grapes. Right? And what is this? Orange. Right? Orange. What is this? Orange. What is this? Orange. Right? Orange. Right? This is orange. Now we have to match it. We have finished the color. Color the pictures they have said. We have colored it. And match each picture to the letter that it begins with. This is door. Door. Grapes. And orange. Okay. So in volume 2, worksheet volume 2, page number 42. Right. So we have to do this matching. After coloring, you have to match it. And now this is another thing which in Cordova. Okay, in Cordova, page number 17. Page number 17, we have to again match and color. First we have to match itself. So these are the letters they have given. These are the pictures they have given. This is fish. Fish. Right? F for fish. This is lamp. L for lamb. This is lamb. L for lamb. This is goat. Where is G here? G here. This is G. G for goat. This is joker. Right? Where is J? J. Yeah. This is J. J for joker. And what is this? This is, what is this? This is orange. O, orange. What is this? This is horse. H for horse. And this is mango. M for mango. And what is this? This is ink. I for ink pot. So now we finished our marching. We have to color the pictures, right? So fish, which color is in? Fish is in which color, ma? Fish is in, right, fish is in, right, this is fish, right, this is fish, and this is lamb, right, for lamb, right, and this is all in brown color, and this will be in white color only, because this is a glass item, right? And this will be red in color, right? This is a lamb. And about goat, goat will be in black and white, right? Black color, brown. Right, this is the color of goat, right? Goat. Then next, this is joker. Joker will be in the color which you need have to be put to that. Okay. Right? Whichever the color is present, you can color it. Okay, this is joker. And what about this? That is orange. This is orange. Right? This is orange. And this is a green leaf to orange. Right? Then after that, horse. Horse will be in black, white. It will not be in red, no. It will be in brown. Right? Horse. Right? And this will be in black. Right? So, this is horse. After that, mango in yellow. Yellow and green. Yellow and green. Right? Ink pot will be in blue. Right? So we have finished our coloring part also. Understood? We have finished the coloring part also. Okay, we finished this. Now page number 71. Page number 71 in the same Cardova book. Okay, this is Summer Friends. Color the things you like during summer. So all are this, is that all are this of summer dress? Summer things? No. In summer season we are not going to wear this. In summer season we are not going to wear this. In summer season we are not going to put on this. We like ice cream in summer season. We want cooler in summer season. We like to drink cool drinks in summer season. Right? So this is cooler, cool drink, ice cream. These are the three things we have to color. Color the things you like during summer. So cooler I like most. I like cooler the most. So in which color the cooler will be? In different colors the cooler will be, right? Any color the cooler will be in. Okay, understood? Actually the cooler will be in brown or black, right? But as I said you, different colors now. Okay, understood? Right? Then after that cool drink, right? Cool drink. Maaza, Sprite, right? Maaza, Sprite. Sprite will be in white in color. Thumbs up, it will be in blue black color, right? Understood? So this is more cool drink. And ice cream. Ice cream will be in brown in color. Chocolate, right? Chocolate, brown in color. All need ice creams, right? Everybody like ice creams. Is it not? Everybody like ice creams. Everybody want to eat ice cream. Kada? So this is the things where. The next we have page number 87. 87. What is this? Color. Join the dots and color the picture. So first they asked us to join the color, join the dots. So from where we will join it? Okay, so we'll join it from here, right? See, I am joining it as the dots are here, right? So after that here, after that only you have to trace it on the dots to have a good practice, and you'll be getting how to draw an idea how to draw cat, right? So is it a cat or something else? What, ma? Is it a cat or something else? Yes, it is a cat. It is a cat. Now you know now what is the color of the cat? It is yellow, it is brown. You have to color it. Okay, this is your homework part. Page number 87, right? Page number 92. Yes. Circle what is small. Circle what is small. Page number 92, right? What is same? Not small. What is same? See, this is a crow. Here is this same. Is the figure same? Is the figure same? Is the figure same? Yes, the figure is same. So I am circling it. Okay. This is sun. Where is the sun here? This is half sun. This is a star, and this is a sun. Right. This is a snake. This is also a snake, but here to this picture, this ball is not there. This is a frog. This is a snake like this, the same picture, right? This is a bottle, right? What is this? What is this? Which is the same to this? Yes, this is the same. This is also a bottle, but see the position, see the diagram, right? Picture, figure. This is same. And this is a car. This aeroplane is car, and this is a ship. Yeah, car. And the shoes. This is of course the shoes, but not this type. This is same to this, right? So these are the things we have to do it, and which is the last thing we have to do it, right? So this is the main thing you have to do. One activity, summer activity, uses of summer. In worksheet 2 books, we have marching and we have circling of sounds. Then in the Cardova, we have 3 to 4 pages. That is page number 92, page number 71, page number 85 and page number 17. You have to do all that, children. Okay? Bye.